Alright everyone, welcome to part 10 of the Type RA restoration. So in this video, I finally finish the car. I have actually taken it on a drive. It works great. At this point, I am 700 hours into this. As for actual money into this, I haven't totaled that up yet, but I did keep track of everything. So let's jump right into the video, and here we go. Alright, we are gearing up for the final application of paint. I had to get a little creative with these vents to be able to get both sides. So you can see there the wood is actually floating up above it, which will allow me to take them down from the hook and spray them all around. We've got the top of the scoop here. Because I've got some base and clear coming out through the front, I'm gonna have to get sealer on that along with the hood. So I'm going to mix up some sealer and go ahead here. With the sealer on now, I'm just kind of warming the pieces back up along with the air in here, and I'm ready to get into the base coat. Alright guys, we're back the next morning here. Everything is looking good. It should be pretty dry. I let it dry overnight because of the temperature issue we deal with here in the winter. So now I'm ready to tack this all off and get into my clear coat. So we've got the clear coat on. Everything looks nice. It's a good finish. I got a couple nibs here and there, but otherwise I am happy with this. And wow, what a feeling to be done the painting on this car. So what I'm gonna do from here is let these parts kind of cure a bit over the weekend. Monday I can move them out and I can begin to assemble the front end of the car. Alright guys, with the body primarily back together, we've got our bud Keith over here. He is here to denib and do a nice wet sand. So we got, hard to see in the camera, really hard to see. Yeah, I swear they're there. There's nibs all over the place. So he is over the next probably couple days going to rip over the whole car with some wet sanding, get the nibs down, any orange peel or any sort of blemishes we're seeing, and then he's going to get into some heavy duty polishing and make this puppy shine. Alright dude, well I'll let you at her. So there we are, even though you can hardly tell other than the little bit of glimmer of daylight we're still getting, but now this is down to 2000 Keith. Nice. But yeah, there wasn't much peel. This one was pretty decent, but there are spots that are definitely worse than this. Looking in some shine. A little better. All right, we are very close to done the wet sanding before the polish. Before I park the car again until next weekend to resume, I decided I'm gonna put on the exhaust. So this is an HKS Sport. It comes black like this. It does have a near like factory tip. It is a rather quiet exhaust. So we're gonna put the car up, get the exhaust on, and we'll see how she sounds. it stressful? Yes. Does it drive good? It honestly drives like a brand new car. It's quite incredible, quite the experience. Again, pretty surreal actually being out in the car and driving it. But here we are. Well, anyone who watched from the very first video, which was quite a while ago, like I think I've had this car 6 or 7 years and been casually working on it in my spare time as I go. Thank you very much for watching. This has definitely been a journey. What a surreal feeling to actually finally have it done, running and driving. And I mean, everything is checked off the list. It is absolutely done other than enjoy now. So what's next for the car? That I'm not too sure of. I have been toying with the idea of possibly, believe it or not, getting rid of the car. Reason being is the proceeds from this car could go towards probably building another 3 of my cars. So that's something I'm still considering at the moment. Not totally sure quite yet. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what happens.